Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in WhatsApp without verification code. So there are 4 methods you can try. WhatsApp requires a verification code to log in and set up an account. This code is sent to your phone number via SMS or phone call, and it's crucial part of verification process to ensure that security of your account. Skipping this step is not recommended, but if you are having trouble receiving the verification code, I have a few steps you can take. So number 1, make sure you have entered the correct phone number and double check the country code and phone digit numbers. The second step, network issues. Ensure that your phone has stable internet connection and can receive SMS messages or phone calls. Number 3 is wait for a call. If you didn't receive the SMS, the verification code, you can choose the option to receive your phone call instead. WhatsApp will call you a number and provide you with the codes. Number 4 and last, click on these 3 dots. If you are still unable to receive the verification code, you can reach out to WhatsApp support for assistance. It's important note that attempting to bypass the verification process could lead to account suspension or other security related issues. WhatsApp security measures are designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. Always use legit and secure methods when using WhatsApp or any other online service. So that's it for this video. That's how you can log in WhatsApp without verification code. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.